In 30 days, you can build discipline that most people never develop in a lifetime, but only if you stop doing what everyone else is doing. Everyone wants discipline. Almost nobody builds it because they're building it wrong. They start with the hardest version of the goal. Wake up at 5 a.m., 2-hour workout, cold showers, no sugar, all at once. Day 1, they're a machine. Day 4, they quit. And now they believe they're just not a disciplined person. That's not a discipline problem. That's a design problem. Discipline isn't built through intensity. It's built through repetition. Neuroscience is clear on this. A behavior becomes automatic through consistent repetition, not through how hard you went on day 1. So here's the actual 30-day method. Week 1, pick one rule. Not 5, 1. Something almost embarrassingly small. Make your bed, 10 push-ups, 5 minutes of reading. Small enough that skipping it feels stupid, not just hard. Week 2, never miss twice. You will miss a day. That's not failure, that's human. But missing 2 days in a row is how a slip becomes a pattern. 1 miss is an accident. 2 is the start of a new identity you don't want. Week 3, attach it to something you already do. After you brush your teeth, before you check your phone. Discipline sticks when it rides on a habit that already exists. Week 4, add friction to the thing that competes with it. Phone in another room, snacks out of the house. Discipline isn't just willpower, it's environment design. You're not weak. Your environment is just working against you. By day 30, you won't feel motivated. You'll just do it. That's the whole point. That's what real discipline looks like. Boring, automatic, and unstoppable. If you're starting your 30 days today, comment day 1 below. Zenith Wisdom's going to check on you. Subscribe so you don't miss what comes after day 30.